Alrighty, next challenge. Our next game, you are going to have some kind of container on the floor. It can be a box, it can be a bucket, it can be a laundry basket, it can be a shoe box. You're going to tip it sideways. You are going to try and roll the ball into the basket. So, here are the points. You noticed I hit that in the basket. That's 1 point. If I roll it into the basket and I get it to stay, that's 2 points. I'll know if I'm going to be able to do that. Not yet. I'm going to have to roll it a lot slower. Hold on. Oh, so that's 2 points. So 3 points would be rolling this and getting the basket or whatever container you have to tip over and have the ball inside. So 1 point, the ball goes into the basket, but it comes back out. 2 points, the ball goes in and stays in. 3 points, the ball goes in and the container stays upright. So that's your game. I hope you have fun.